XRXN. First name is Robert Carter. I am the Vice President of the San Bernardino Microwave Society. We are an elite group of amateur radio operators that operate above 1 gigahertz, stopping at light frequencies. Not sure what else to say.
This one is what I would like to. You say you built. So all this, everything inside is something that you put together from zero,
scratch.
from the scratch.
Yeah, me and my buddy, we designed all the circuit boards. This is your high frequency oscillator. We designed you have to open the box, but there's a precision high frequency oscillator in here that is rubidium standard. It's locked to a rubidium so that it's 1 parts per million in the purity of the signal. So that way, as you multiply the frequency, the signal doesn't drift.
Great.
Because the higher you go in frequency, the more frequency drift you'll have. And we have to alleviate that, so we either GPS lock it or rubidium standard lock it.
Awesome. Okay, so how do you call this whole box together when the whole piece? What is
This is considered a transverter.
transmitter? Now this is what is another thing that it comes.
This is considered the IF radio.
Okay.
It is basically a standard ham radio unit that is used to generate your modulated frequency, and then it's mixed with the transverter signal to convert the signal to 10 gigahertz.
Now, what is the output frequency when you transmit?
Well, if you're looking at the display and it says 29328, your frequency output will be 10.368 gigahertz.
Wow. Okay.
So it's basically the last significant digits. Place your 10.368 signal in its appropriate place.
Now, the antenna is made of what do you use?
The antenna itself, the waveguide, is made out of 3/4 inch pipe, which happens to work perfect at 10 gigahertz. This whole unit is removable, so you can take the whole thing and break it down. Huh? Yeah, good radio.
Now, what is the maximum power on a microwave?
On this one, it's 2 watts.
2 watts.
2 watts.
Now, with 2 watts, how far can you talk?
Maximum distance is unknown at this time, because I've already, at 50 milliwatts, I broke the 592 mile.
Huh?
I've already broken 592 miles with 50 milliwatts. With 2 watts, I should be able to go into space.
Wow. Okay, now
my farthest contact has been 672 miles, and that was bouncing the signal off of a cloud. I have 2 states behind me now. 3 states, excuse me. I have 3 states.
I'm really impressed with your project. So now, how many people are? How big is this community using this?
It's worldwide. It's a worldwide community.
You consider big? A lot of people doing.
Oh yeah, it's really big. You have people in Australia, San Diego, New Zealand, a lot of people in Japan. Pretty much every country has some guys that are doing 10 gigs.
Okay.
But because of some of the frequency allocations, we can't talk to some of them because we're not allowed to be on
different part of the spectrum.
Right.
But here in the United States, how big is the spectrum for?
It's 500 megahertz wide.
Okay.
So it's like looking for a needle in a haystack.
Right. Yeah.
Because you got a band of frequencies this wide, and you're only using
little
tiny.
Now, none of these equipments in the on the amateur side are commercial available.
Not commercially available. There is a company in Germany, DBNT, that does make standalone transverters, but you still have to wire up certain things. They come as a little module. You don't sell it completely.
The whole you gotta work. You gotta make your homework anyway.
Yes, And that's the whole key to getting into our organization is that you have to build your own radio.
Yeah, I think it got to be the fun part of that.
Right.
Because
So you'll never see a radio that's exactly the same because everybody builds it.
they own, yeah, and everybody got different knowledge about that too.
Right.
All right, thank you very much.
All right.